सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री गुरु परंपराय नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्. So today we will learn two things. One is Srimad Bhagavad Gita and another is Mahishasuramardini Stotram. So should I start Mahishasuramardini Stotram? Are you ready?
Yes.
Thank you. So already we have learned 6 slokas. So 6 we will chant together first. Then we will learn another 3, 4, what about? Okay. Shri Mahishasuramardini Stotram. ऐगिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोधिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अयि जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वनप्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शृंग निजालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधुकैटभ गंजिनि कैटभ भंजिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐशतखण्ड विखण्डित रुण्ड वितुण्डित शुण्ड गजाधिपते रिपुगज गण्ड विदारण चण्ड पराक्रम शुण्ड मृगाधिपते निज भुज दण्ड निपातित खण्ड विपातित मुण्ड भटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐरण दुर्मद शत्रुवधोदित दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिभृते चतुर विचार धुरीण महाशिव दूत कृत प्रमथाधिपते दुरित दुरीह दुराशय दुर्मति दानव दूत कृतांतमते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Number 6. ऐ शरणागत वैरिवधूवर वीरवराभयदायकरे त्रिभुवनमस्तकशूलविरोधि शिरोधि कृतामलशूलकरे दुमि दुमि तामर दुन्दुभिनाद मुहुर्मुखरीकृतदिन्निकरे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. So every day it will be your task that what number sloka we are completing, you should keep note in the notebook. Okay. And Mahishasur Mardini is fixed what and how many slokas we are covering in Gita and Mantra Pushpa. And you should remind me, okay? Who will take the responsibility to remind me? Sandhya ji, good. So every day before the class, just text me. Okay. Thank you. And your backup will be Sangeeta. Nice partner. Have you got? Very serious. She attends every day. Okay. It will be your responsibility. So each and every class there should be some coordinators, because let's start 7th sloka. I nija hunkriti matra nirakrita dhumra vilochana dhumrashate samaravishoshita shonita bija samudbhava shonita bijalate. Jetli ji, your PDF problem is solved, I think. I have sent you the Hindi one. And I hope you have printed out. Am I right? Okay. I nija hunkriti matra nirakrita dhumra vilochana dhumrashate. Once again. I nija hunkriti matra nirakrita dhumra vilochana dhumrashate samaravishoshita shonita bija samudbhava shonita bijalate. Wonderful, na? Now, Shiva Shiva Shumbha Nishumbha Shiva Shiva Shumbha Nishumbha Mahava. Once again. Shiva Shiva Shumbha Nishumbha Mahava Tarpita Bhuta Pishacharate Tarpita Bhuta Pishacharate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasura Mardini Ramyakapardiini Shailasute. So, seventh number, we will chant it together. निज हुंकृति मात्र निराकृत धूम्र विलोचन धूम्रशते समर विशोषित शोणित बीज समोद्भव शोणित बीजलते शिव शिव शुंभ निशुंभ महाव तर्पित भूत पिशाचरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Okay, now धनुरनुषंग रणक्षण संग धनुरनुषंग रणक्षण संग परिस्फुरदंग नटत्कटके परिस्फुरदंग नटत्कटके. Clear? Kanaka kapis. Just a minute, I have to check once. Kanakapishanga Kanakapishanga Prishatkanishanga Kanakapishanga Prishatkanishanga Rasad Rasad Bhatta Sringa Hatavatuke Rasad Bhatta Sringa Hatavatuke Krita Chaturanga Balakshititiranga Krita Chaturanga Balakshititiranga Ghatat Bahuranga Ratad Batuke Ghatat Bahuranga Ratad Batuke Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute. So let's chant together. Dhanuranusanga sanga parisfuradanga natatkatake Kanakapishanga prishatkanishanga rasad bhata sringa hatavatuke Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute. Oh no, sorry. Krita Chaturanga Balakshititiranga Ghatat Bahu Rangaratad Batuke Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute. Clear? Anyone has any doubt regarding this? Okay. Ninth. जय जय जप्य जये जय शब्द जय जय जप्य जये जय शब्द. Once again. जय जय जप्य जये जय शब्द परस्तुति तत्पर.
This is the 10th one.
It is ninth one.
9th one.
Yes. Maybe your number is a little bit ups and downs. It doesn't matter. Okay. We will cover everything else. In some publication, some number sequences are different. Okay. Jaya Jaya Japya Jaye Jaya Shabda Parastuti Tatpara Vishwanute. Are you able to chant together fully? Start. Jaya Jaya Japya Jaye Jaya Shabda Parastuti Tatpara Vishwanute. Jhana Jhana Jhinjhini. Jhana Jhana Jhinjhimi. Jhinkrita Nupura. Jhinkrita Nupura. Shinjita Mohita Bhutapate. Shinjita Mohita Bhutapate. So, नूपुर का पायल का झिनझिन हो रहा है माता दुर्गा की. तो इसका चैंटिंग भी ऐसा ही होगा. झण झण झिनझिमि झिंकृत नूपुर शिंजित मोहित भूतपते. Clear? There should be a feeling, inside and outside. झण झण झिंझिमि झिंकृत नूपुर शिंजित मोहित भूतपते. नटित नटार्धन टी नट sorry नटित नटार्धन टीन टनायक. Actually nati nata nayaka, लेकिन the chanting type is like that. Nati nata natita natardhana natita natardha nati nata nayaka natita natya sugana rate. That is the thing. Okay. नटित नटार्ध नटी नटनायक. Clear? नटित नटार्ध नटी नटनायक नाटित नाट्य सुरानरते सुगानरते. Clear? Once again, please. नटित नटार्ध नटी नटनायक नाटित नाट्य सुगानरते. Clear? जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. So this one we will chant once again. जय जय जप्य जये जय शब्द परस्तुति तत्पर विश्वनुते. झण झण झिंझिमि झिंकृत नूपुर शिंजित मोहित भूतपते नटित नटार्ध नटी नटनायक नाटित नाट्य सुगानरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Clear? Number 10. Ai sumanas 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 sumanohara kantiyute.
This third line, not it or not.
Sorry?
In third line, it is mentioned here not.
You are not audible.
So
Oh,
Nattarate.
Natita Natya. Natita Natardhana, once another book I just see. Natita Natardha Nati Natanayaka Natita Natya Suganarate. ठीक है से? Kushbabu, it is okay in both the thing. Is there any differences are you getting with my chanting and in your book? Kushbabu, please tell me, I will solve the problem. বলুন কি অসুবিধা?
स्वामी जी बाल विहार संगीता
अच्छा
बाल विहार में सेकंड लाइन में ना जैसे भण भण भिंजी में आप झण झण बोल रहे हो ना.
In 4 books I am considering.
In बाल विहार.
Yes, but that may be a Chinmay Mission problem, printing problem. 4 publications book I am considering right now. I never consider one publication, and 4 publications are saying the same. Ramakrishna Mission, Chinmay Mission, main book. I am now printing from, writing from Chinmay Mission books. And this is the latest book. And the Bal Vihar book you are seeing, it's old version. So in old version of Chinmay Mission books, some mistakes were there. They acknowledge it. Okay. So it is.
Swamiji, what is the name of this book?
Which one?
Which you are carrying?
Sacred Hymns. Book of Hymns. It is famous as Book of Hymns.
Okay.
Chinmaya Book of Hymns.
Swamiji, in the third line,
Yes.
is it Natita Natya or Natita Natya?
Natita, Natardha, Nati, Natanayaka, Natita, Natya, Sugana Rate.
Okay,
Okay, clear?
thank you.
Anyone has any other problem? Jetli ji is eating from the starting of the class, 38 minutes he is eating. Okay. Let's do. 10th one. I sumanas. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So when you will chant, you please count it. Otherwise, sumanas. You can't understand where to stop. So there are 5 sumana is there. And 5 sumana has 5 different meaning. That is the beauty of the stotra. So, I sumanas sumanohara Kanti Yute. Clear? You please count it. Otherwise, it will be mesmerizing sometimes.
Can you increase the volume? Can you increase the volume?
My volume or computer volume?
No, this microphone volume. Very feeble. Sound is very feeble today.
Everyone, oh, your network
I
problem. Like Shivendu Ghosh Babu never hears me. It is my
It's my problem.
unfortunate. I am not audible to him.
It may be my problem. Thank you.
I'm getting old, jet lag. So that much I can shout. Okay. Ai sumanas 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 sumanohara kanti yute. And the same thing will be applied. Okay. After Visarga, there is Sakara is there. So please don't chant like Sumana, 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 Sumana. Please don't say like that. Okay. It will be I Sumanas, 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 Suma. No Hara Kanti Yute. Clear? So instead of Visarga, please everywhere you please write Sakara, Danta Sakara. That will be better for you. Clear? Sandhya ji, where is Nikita?
Nikita today is in another important meeting, sir.
Okay. Please tell her to listen to the YouTube channel afterwards.
Yes, she will.
Yes.
She will.
So, I Sumanas, 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 Sumanohara Kanti Yute. Shrita. Another confusing line, huh? Come. Srita Rajani, 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 Karavatra Vrite. Clear? Srita Rajani, 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 Rajani. 5 Rajani is there, okay? Srita Rajani, 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 Karavatra Vite. Clear? Are we enjoying? Yes. Then Sunayana Vipramarab, Pramarab, Pramarab, Pramarab. Pramara Dipate. I don't know how I will teach you. You have to catch up your own. Okay. So see, and the thing is, bra is conjunct consonant. And before that, short vowel. So bha will be repeated. Bha will be repeated. Okay? So, Sunayana Viprama. Clear? So, Sunayana Viprama Rab Prama Rab Prama Rab Prama Rab Brahma Radhipate. Another 5. Clear? So, Pancha Pandav. You please remember in all the line, there all the words are repeated 5 times. Clear? Yes. So let's chant. We got the clue that these words will be repeated 5 times. Use your fingers. Simple. Life is not what we see. Life is that how we see. Okay. Ai sumanas 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 sumanohara kanti yute Shrita rajani 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 karavatra vrite Sunayana vibhramara pramara 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 Brahmaradhipate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute. Clear? Are you enjoying? Good. So, up to that we will learn today. So, number 10th we will chant together again. Ai sumanas 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 sumanohara kanti yute Shrita rajani 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 kara vaktravrite Sunayana vibhramara pramara 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 Pramaradhipate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute. Clear? Thank you. On Tuesday, please remind me before the class. It's the responsibility of Sandhya ji and Sangeeta. Sangeeta, do you have my number? WhatsApp number? Okay. So you should write me that Tuesday we will learn Durga Suktam and Dasha Shanti Mantra revision. And Friday, Mahishasura Mardini Stotram and Gita, Bhagavad Gita. Clear? Is it okay for you? Thank you. So come. Today, Srimad Bhagavad Gita from verse number 26, second chapter 26. Should I start? Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. So first we will chant from 21 to 25, what we learned in the last class. Okay? Veda vinashinam nityam yaye namajam avyayam katham sapurusah partha kanghatayati hantikam vasansi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grihnati naroparani तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि नैनं छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनं दहति पावकः न चैनं क्लेदयन्त्यापः न शोषयति मारुतः अच्छेद्यो यमदाह्योऽयम् अक्लेद्यो शस्य एव च नित्यः सर्वगतस्थाणुः अचलोऽयं सनातनः अव्यक्तः Nityoyamachintyoyam avikaryoyamuchyate tasmadevam vidityoinam nanushochitumarhasi. So, from 26th, we will start learning today. Athachaye, all are important slokas. Okay. Bhagavad Gita, second chapter, each and everything is important. Athachayenam nitya jatam. Athachayenam nitya jatam. Nityam va manyase mritam. Nityam va manyase mritam. Tathapi tvam mahabaho. Tathapi tvam mahabaho. Naivam shochitumarhasi. Naivam shochitumarhasi. Jatasya hi dhruvo. Sorry, 26 once again. Please chant with me. Okay. Atha chainam nitya jatam nityam va manyase mratam tathapi tvam mahabaho naivam shochitumarhasi. Number 27. You know, among the importance, there are some mantras or slokas or verses. They are very, very important. You know, in coaching class, teachers give the suggestion, these are important, these are important, these are important. All are green marking. Then suddenly he told some red marking are there. What is this? These are very, very important. So that very, very important some mantras are there, and the 26th are among them. Jatasya hi dhruvo mrityuhu. In your book, it is there mrityur dhruvam. Please split the word and write mrityuhu, means visarga. Mrityu, then visarga, please. And you know, visarga's pronunciation is always like hakara when it is at the end of the sentence. And how the hakara's pronunciation will be? As it is preceded by the vowel. Here mrityu is ukara. After that visarga is there, whose pronunciation will be hakara. And because of u is there before hakara, so it will be hu. Mrityu hu. Okay. Jatasya hi dhruvo mrityuhu or mrityuhu. Short vowel, chota vowel है, तो छोटा करके उच्चारण होगा. जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्माद् अपरिहार्येऽर्थे. See here, tasmad apariharyarthe. If you can chant technically, it will be better. Otherwise, you can chant as it is written. Tasmad apariharyarthe. So meaning doesn't come, you know. if you just break it, give a break for a fraction of second, meaning will come out. Tasmad apariharyarthe. So in that case, you just put a halanta below the, and above you write apariharyarthe. Okay. Tasmad apariharyarthe natvam. Twa is conjunct consonant, and before that na is there. So ta will be doubled. Nat tvam. Clear? Nat tvam shochitum arhasi. Nat tvam shochitum arhasi. So together, jatasya hi dhruvo mrityuhu dhruvan janma mritasya cha tasmad apariharyarthe nattam shochitum arhasi. Okay. Now 28. Avyaktadini bhutani. Avyaktadini bhutani. Vyaktamadhyani bharata. Vyaktamadhyani bharata. Avyaktanidhananyeva. Avyaktanidhananyeva. Tatra ka paridevana. Tatra ka paridevana. Together, it's a very simple sloka. Avyaktadini bhutani. Vyaktamadhyani bharata. Avyaktanidhananyeva. Tatra ka paridevana. Clear. Next one is another very, very important mantra or sloka, and that is taken from Kathopanishad. You know, Bhagavad Gita's base grantha is Kathopanishad, Mundaka Upanishad mainly, and Ishavasya little bit is there. So this mantra is coming, it is from Kathopanishad. And this mantra is 29th mantra is in Trishtup Chanda. Trishtup Chanda. Okay. Ascharyavat pashyati kaschidenam. Please write one ma at the end of the first line. Ma and halanta. Ascharyavat pashyati kaschidenam. Then it is there, Mascharya in your book. Please cut it with the pencil. It is not wrong. But we are splitting into Sandhi. Write Ascharyavat. Okay. Ascharyavat pashyati kaschidenam. Ascharyavat vadati tathaiva chanyaha. Next line. Ascharyavat-chainam anyasrunoti. Anyasrunoti. Visarga and Shakara is there. So Visarga will be Shakara like pronounced. Ascharyavat-chainam. Ascharyavat-chainam. अन्यशृणोति so आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवद् वदति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित् श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित् together आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवद् वदति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित् देहि 30th देहि नित्यमवध्योऽयम् देहि नित्यमवध्योऽयम् देहे सर्वस्य भारत देहे सर्वस्य भारत तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि देहि नित्यमवध्योऽयम् देहे सर्वस्य भारत तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि clear so we will chant from 16 to 26 to 30
Swamiji, can you repeat the 30th one, first line?
yes dehi nityam avadhyoyam yes I am technically using it avadhyoyam
Yeah.
you can also but you know the problem is if you break it dehi nityam avad it is difficult so you have to be very technical in that point see how I am chanting dehi nityam avadhyoyam dehi nityam avadhyoyam there will be a hair splitting a gap
Cannot be nityam abadhyoyam.
देहि नित्यम अवध्योयम अवध्योयम
We can call nityam
yes
full, then abadhyoyam.
yes but
One stroke.
this is a samastapadi shabda so it should be chanted very promptly okay so from 26 to 30 we will chant together atha chainam nityajatam nityam va manyase mritam तथापि त्वं महाबाहो नैवं शोचितुमर्हसि जातस्य हि ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवं जन्म मृतस्य च तस्माद् अपरिहार्येऽर्थे न त्वं शोचितुमर्हसि अव्यक्तादीनि भूतानि व्यक्तमध्यानि भारत अव्यक्तनिधनान्येव तत्र का परिदेवना आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवद्वदति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनो वेद न चैव कश्चित् देहि नित्यमवध्योऽयम् देहे सर्वस्य भारत तस्मात् सर्वाणि भूतानि न तं शोचितुमर्हसि. Clear? Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om to everyone else.
স্বামীজি জুড়াতে চায়ের মধ্যে আমার বিমলার নাম লিখে নেবেন। জুড়াতে চাই।
কে বলছেন? বিমলা পোদ্দার জি?
না না, বিমলা চান্ডাক।
বিমলা চান্ডাক, আচ্ছা
হ্যাঁ,
আচ্ছা, নেব।
হ্যাঁ, আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে সেদিন শুনে। আমার নামটা লিখে রাখবেন আপনি, আর পাসওয়ার্ডটা পাঠিয়ে দেবেন।
আচ্ছা মা, আমি তোমাকে ওই গ্রুপে নিয়ে নিচ্ছি, তার কারণ বহু মানুষ আমাকে বলছে আমাকে পাঠাবেন। এবার মা অতটা মনে থাকে না তখন এত।
না ঠিক আছে, আপনি গ্রুপে নিয়ে নিন, গ্রুপে নিয়ে নিন। ওকে, ধন্যবাদ।
হ্যাঁ মা, প্রণাম। ওম
Swamiji Hari Om.
পূর্ণমদঃ
পূর্ণমিদং পূর্ণাৎ পূর্ণমুদচ্যতে
पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। Hari Om to everyone else. Wish you a very happy weekend.
Hari Om Swamiji, Hari Om.
Spiritual weekend. Hari Om to everyone.